Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and peace be upon you all. Let me introduce myself. I'm Romi Mesra from Sociology Education Program in Manado State University. I would like to present my article with title Application of the Learning Model Baca Dulu, Breakout Class Daring and Luring as an effort to overcome the various obstacles of online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic at Unima Sociology Education Study Program. The author of this article is the first Romi Mesra, and then Abdul Rashid Umar Ternate and Siti Fatimah. Introduction. The concept of the learning model, according to Trianto, states that the learning model is a plan or pattern that is used as a guide in planning classroom learning or tutorial learning. The learning model refers to the learning approach that will be used, including teaching objectives, take in learning activities, learning environment, and class management. Alright, I will continue because this the same information. This standard must be improved continuously from time to time so that this standard develop continuously. The higher the standard set, the better the quality of the lecture condition. The more qualified the lecture condition, the more quality the teaching and learning process that take place. One of the components in the effort to improve learning quality standard is by utilizing rapidly developing technology and adopting it to be applied in the teaching and learning process. Online learning is directly related to the student economy. Students must have money to buy quota, books, and other. As a lecturer, the writer thinks there must be innovation that must be done to overcome this problem, especially those related to the online teaching and learning process. There must be an element of justice between students who are able to access online learning resources and students who are less fortunate, so that the author innovated in making online learning model with the author later called the learning model Baca Dulu. Literature review. The learning model is basically a form of learning that is illustrated from beginning to end is typically presented by the teacher. In other words, the learning model is a package or frame of the application of learning approach, method, and technique. The online learning system is a learning system without face-to-face directly between teacher and student, but is carried out online using the internet network. This is in accordance with the appeal of the Minister of Education and Culture of Indonesia through Circular Number 4 of 2020 concerning the implementation of educational policy in the emergency of the spread of coronavirus disease. Various media can also be used to support the implementation of online learning. For example, virtual class, use Google Classroom, Edmodo, and Schoology Service, and instant messaging applications such as WhatsApp. Online learning can even be done through social media such as Facebook and Instagram. Methodology. The research approach used in this research is a qualitative research approach. The qualitative research approach is a social science research approach that collects and analyzes data in the form of words, oral and written, and human action, and the researcher does not try to calculate or quantify the qualitative data that has been obtained, and thus does not analyze number. In Afrizal 2014 book states that a qualitative research approach is useful for a deeper understanding of meaning, subjective meaning and interpretation, and the context of behavior and process that occur in factors related to this behavior. Data analysis technique in this study use data analysis technique Miles and Haberman, suggesting that activities in qualitative data analysis were carried out interactively and continue to completion, so that the data was saturated. The measure of data saturation is indicated by no longer obtaining new data or information. Activity in this analysis include data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing or verification, finding and discussion. The application of the Baca Dulu learning model is structured into 6 activities, namely, the first, the preparation of a teaching program design. Preparing the initial design of this learning model is included in the semester program plan, or RPS. Then process with holding discussion via the Zoom application to listen to criticism and suggestion from students. Second, the socialization of the Baca Dulu learning model to students. Third, making learning media Baca Dulu for students. Fourth, making learning video content for students. Fifth, the implementation of the Baca Dulu learning model. 6. Reporting on the result of the application of the Baca Dulu learning model to the head of the study program. I think that's all about my article. I know there were many mistakes, so I need your critique or suggestion to make this article and next article to be better in the future. Thanks for your attention. I close with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and peace be upon you all. Thank you.